going down on this morning's Golf Cart Confession, Season 5, Episode 6. Man, we have Laura Schuette in the house. How are you, Laura?
I am doing great this morning. How are you?
You doing awesome?
I'm good. I'm good.
Laura Schuette. Schuette rhymes with lots of different things. So, what would you like to confess to this morning on Golf Cart Confessions? Now, don't confess to what you just confessed to. Guys, I tell you what, this is so awesome this morning, and the wind is blowing like crazy. What would you like to confess to?
So the reason why I wanted to get in the seat first was because my confession is I have an extremely heavy lead foot.
Heavy lead foot.
Heavy.
That means you like to drive fast.
Like 7 speeding tickets fast.
7 speeding tickets? Wait a minute, guys. Here. She's not going to speed because we're going to be very careful. Why don't you drive the golf cart for us this morning?
Let's go.
All righty.
I'll be safe.
We are exercising safety driving the golf cart this morning. We will not get one of the 7 speeding
I don't
tickets.
need an 8.
Nope, need an 8th one. So, what would you like to share with us in addition to your, you love to speed?
In addition, well, I love my job
Oh,
at the Comfort Suites.
You work
So
for the
we know
Comfort
each
Suites
other.
here
Yeah.
in Bowling Green?
I sure do.
Tell us a little bit about, and you may have to speak up because it's so windy out here.
Oh,
Tell us
yeah.
a little bit about that and what you do there.
Well, I'm the director of sales at the Comfort Suites.
Okay.
It's brand new. We just
Brand
opened, just a couple months old. Newest hotel in Bowling Green. We have 81 all-suite rooms.
Wait a minute.
81.
We're going to have to stop the golf cart on that one. Woo! Wait a minute. Did you say 81?
81.
Wow.
Let me tell you one more thing about it.
What?
400 square feet.
400
Huge.
square feet rooms?
Huge rooms.
So they're huge rooms.
Beautiful, huge rooms.
Where are you guys located?
We are just behind the shopping complex where Kroger and Shoe Carnival is.
Okay.
I will not mention your competition that's in front of you.
All right, let's not do that. But you guys have a beautiful hotel. 80, how many rooms?
81.
81 rooms, and they're 400 square feet, guys. Be sure when you're coming into town, you go over there,
Anytime.
check them out, stay there, follow them on Instagram and
Facebook,
Facebook,
Twitter, everything. Comfort
Twitter.
Suites BG.
Comfort Suites BG. Laura, this was really impromptu, wasn't it?
It really was. I think I had less than maybe 10 hours notice, if that.
That's
Probably like
cool.
8.
8? Well, let's go ahead and drive the golf cart some more.
Let's
We're going to
go.
go ahead and get this started up. Guys, if you are looking for a great experience in a hotel, Comfort Suites, Bowling Green, 81 rooms, 400 square feet, be sure to see Laura Schuette over there.
That's right.
Follow them on Facebook at Comfort Suites BG. Follow them on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much for joining us today and not getting an 8th speeding ticket.
Thank you for having me.
I love it. Who will we interview next? Actually, Laura may interview somebody next as a guest host.
Do it.
And guess what? It could be